You have a very confident way to yourself. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that. I have been told I'm confident. Oh, speaking of confidence, we are long the market. Finally getting a chance to buy, and of course it's not showing my trade. Hold on, what did we do before? Switch tickers, and it helped. Aha, there it is. We're in at 413.47. The market's got a large gap down this morning on very strong jobs data. We got way more than expected non-farm payrolls created last month, and the unemployment rate was lower than expected. The market, for some reason, did not like that. Huge gap down, but immediately closed the gap upside after open. It's a little scary to be buying a dip right after gap close. I mean, this is the gap. So, you know, we're buying the first dip after gap close, but if it's there for the system, then it's there for us, right? You got to trade like an algorithm, trade like a system. So, we're in the trade. 413.47. We are looking to sell into the green line. If you've been watching some of my older videos and maybe you're wondering, I did adjust the red and green lines to represent 10 cents below the low of 5 bars back and 10 cents above the high of 5 bars back. So instead of having to like look at the price channel and do the math, now I just buy and sell directly at the green lines. Yep, that's what they represent. It's a price channel with a 10 cents either direction cushion added. So you buy low, you sell high. That's the whole point of the strategy. Anyone else here longing DraftKings? I'm already long DraftKings. Our Roth IRA is up over $700 today. Muchly thanks to DraftKings, but we're also, our Roth is also in JP Morgan, which is having a nice day. JP Morgan liked that jobs report. Banks liked that jobs report. The Roth is having a good day, although, like I told my stream, your investment account individual days don't really mean anything, right? Like, I'm up $700 today. Like, but it's an investment account. Like, I'm not gonna sell, so it doesn't really matter. Like, it doesn't really matter. This trade will matter because I'm gonna sell it and actually lock in a dollar amount change in my account, right? Let's see. Immediate continued pullback, but we don't care until the RSI gets below 40. That is stop loss downside. The wheel next to sell order on the price ladder. This? Show studies from chart. Oh, wait, that's dope. Yo, thank you for that. So now I can see, like, where the red line currently is on the ladder and see where the green line currently is on the ladder. Oh, that's dope. Thank you, Gold. So now I know exactly where I'm supposed to buy and sell. I don't have to like try to judge where the line is on the chart. That's really cool. Thank you. If you want that tip, I just clicked the cog on the active trade window and clicked show studies from charts. So obviously it's showing you where the EMA is and the lines on your price ladder now. That's dope. Thank you for that. That's actually like really helpful because it's like I'm often sitting here like, oh, did it touch the line? Did it touch the line? Like. What do you think about AMC today? We talked about AMC yesterday. We talked about how I did not like them going into earnings because they caught a giant ramp before earnings. So market expectations for earnings were way up, right? So I didn't like them into earnings. What do I think about them today? I mean, they're still not bad, right? What, AMC lost like 2 points on earnings, but the last 3 days they ran up like 5-6 points. So it's still fine. Bed Bath & Beyond is kind of becoming the meme stock now, though. If you're looking to ape some meme stock, I mean, I would keep an eye on Bed Bath & Beyond more than AMC and GME now. Bed Bath & Beyond's up like 30% today. Here, up 29% today. Broke 8. If you want to ape something, if you're here for the apeness of the market, keep an eye on Bed Bath & Beyond. FinTech is flying today, yeah. So we got the giant jobs beat. I mean, almost double the amount of jobs were created last month than what was expected. And unemployment rate came in only 0.1%, but a little bit lower than expected. So an absolutely massive jobs report, a massive beat on the jobs report. Very surprisingly to me, caused the markets to dump. You all in YouTube can let me know your thoughts about that. I'm not a macro news guy. My stupid thought on that is that it means the economy's strong, which means that the Fed can now attack inflation more. The Fed doesn't have to, like, be careful with, like, the economy as much anymore. Now they can, like, raise interest rates more aggressively to tackle inflation, which the stock market doesn't like. Remember, the stock market and the economy are two different things. The jobs report, very good for the economy, but the stock market didn't initially like it, although, you know, we did actually close the entire gap up, so we'll see. Maybe it was also just a stupid knee-jerk reaction on the market. Maybe by the end of the day we're at 420. I don't know, but we'll have to see where the end of the day ends up today, maybe, before we make that kind of proclamation. But all right, the sell order is moving down, obviously coming down with the bars representing 10 cents above the highest point of the last 5 bars. Yeah, I really, really like this. Oh, there's my green line. Okay, there's where I set my order. Yeah, that's really, really nice, being able to see it on the active trader. Paying 1/5 of your millions of your debt in 4 months and planning to do it in the next quarter is godlike. Oh, AMC? Yeah, well. AMC perma bulls, look for any reason to be bullish on it. Be careful with being perma bullish, man. Or perma bearish. Don't be perma anything. Prove an edge around price action and trade that. Be careful with that perma bullish shit. Like, I'm never selling AMC. It's just an objectively wrong thing to do in the stock market. It just is. Like, not that I hate you guys, whatever. If you're one of those people, then more power to you, but you have to understand that it's not what you're supposed to be doing in the markets. Like, don't forget the channel points. Oh yeah, I assume we closed above VWAP. I assume we were above VWAP at 10:30 with that nice run. Yes, oh hell yeah, well above VWAP. Congratulations, over predictors. I'll give you your channel points now. Unfortunately, our trade is rolling over a little bit. Oh wait, I forgot to turn on the, oh my gosh, above only had 27% of the points, so you guys got a really nice payout too. So that shows Twitch, or YouTube, if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's fine. It's a Twitch thing. But it shows most of my chat, over 3/4 of my chat, predicted that SPY was going to be weak today. Oh, we were wrong. SPY market's really, really ramped up out of open. Let me turn on floating P&L. Let me turn on, not floating P&L, this daily P&L. Why is it not working? There it is. There you go. Now you can see. Now you can really see what we're down in the trade. This, like, looks worse than it is. SPY, I guess, just not, like, uber volatile today. Like, this, like, looks like a harsh pullback after my buy, but I'm down 30 bucks. Like, this, like, looks awful, but it's not that bad. Not yet. 30 bucks is nothing yet. Okay, now our sell point is just barely above our entrance. If it does get a bounce, we're not going to make a lot of money in this trade, but it would be better than losing the $30, or worse if we do end up getting stopped out of this. Yeah, there's going to be an argument made, well, Trey, you shouldn't buy the first dip after gap close. While I agree with that, I'm supposed to take the algorithm's trades. I know my algorithm has positive expected value in all of its trades, so I'm supposed to take all of them. I'm supposed to take all of them. Doesn't mean they all win. Of course not. Algorithm's got about a 65% win rate. Actually, in the last 30 days, let me load this study. In the last 30 days, my algorithm has like a 74% win rate, which is crazy. I do understand that that's just because the market's been strong. Oh gosh, here. Yeah, okay, now it's down to 71%. The win-loss on my strategy in the last 30 days is 71%. Here's all the stats of my strategy, by the way, if anybody's interested in that. I actually doubt you guys can read those numbers. I'm sorry, but if you can read those numbers, there's the stats. Let me turn it off because it's a lot of code, that is, so it kind of slows everything down. But yeah, you're supposed to take the trades. Positive expected value, you're supposed to attack positive expected value. You're over 245,000 channel points now? Damn! That's a lot. I feel naked when I'm not holding AMC. Fair enough, man. Fair enough. All right, our sell condition stays at the same place. Yep, 41.59. Next bar, it drops down a little bit. Next bar, it drops down below our entrance. So the next bar, we would confirm this as a red trade. We're still looking for like $10 of profit in this trade. We'll see. Or is it going to roll? Is it going to keep rolling over on us? We'll see. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. Wiley, I'll do that. I'll do that after I get out of this trade. YouTube isn't ready for all the masks and fun we have over here on Twitch. After I exit this trade, I'll do 5 minutes of the panda mask, okay? Hydrate? I can do that now. Cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Brennan Johnson is going to be litty this season on Nottingham Forest, you think? Premier League is back today. Arsenal's going to lose. Fuck them. Ismail Jałowski. That is a very Polish name. Are you Polish by chance, my friend? No. That was CKZ, right? That is, CKZ is, Oh, no. That's Polish. Yeah. Sorry. I was getting Poland and Switzerland confused. But yeah, that is Polish. You are? American geography knowledge, boys. NA geography. Let's go. Ignore the part where I thought that I got Switzerland and Poland confused, but how do you feel about Robert Lewandowski moving to Barca? Speaking of soccer and Poland, are you excited about Lewandowski to Barca or no? Are you gonna post Fred 6? I will get to it eventually. Fanatic votes Bucks fan. I've been bad about the Mark Douglas series lately. Okay, our sell order is now below our entrance, but only 6 cents below. It would be quite nice if that's where we got out. It'd be a break-even trade. Not much of a soccer fan, really? Is it not big in Poland? Maybe it's not. Your all's national team is pretty good. The Polish national team's pretty good. You guys qualified for the World Cup, I think. You usually do. Okay, close to getting out, and out. Nice. I mean, yes, we lost money, but I mean, we were down what? We were down like 40, no, like 35 down here. Don't panic at lows. Get out where you're supposed to get out. Nice. Perfectly fine trade, right? Trade exactly like you're supposed to. Yes, it didn't make money, but it also, it also didn't panic cover down here. Objectively defined rules. Hold. You're not supposed to get out. You're supposed to get out here. Okay. Bada bing, bada boom. We lost $3.